trying to go home. All of my change I spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby? It's
Tanto ho il piacere di porgere il cordiale benvenuti in questa cornice.
yeah, I know it's hard to remember the people we used to be. It's even harder to picture that you're not here next to me. You say it's too late to make it, but is it too late to try? And in that time that you wasted, all of our bridges burned down. I've wasted.
Nel linguaggio non verbale la prima cosa importante è osservare, cioè è importante che osservi la persona.